Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for your patience and also waiting for this session to start. So, very good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. This is Andy Shaw, the regional GM of Sobo Technologies. For those unfamiliar with us, let me introduce Sobo again very briefly. Sobo is an all-in-one customer contact center solution provider headquartered in Singapore. We cover global business, including APAC and also the Middle East region. We are excited to have you here today to explore how Sobot platform together with WhatsApp API can revolutionize your business revenue growth. Today's session, 4 game-changing strategies to skyrocket revenue with WhatsApp, is packed with actionable insights designed to help you unlock new opportunities and elevate your customer engagement strategies. Whether you are looking to optimize your communication channels or drive exponential growth, this session will provide the tools and also techniques to get you there. We are fortunate to have Venice Lee, an experienced leader in business communication and digital communication. Venice will share practical steps to leverage WhatsApp and also Sobo platform to maximize your business potential. During her sharing, feel free to post any of your thoughts and concerns or questions in the chat. We will address them during the Q&A session after the presentation. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Over to you, Venice.
Thanks a lot, Andy. Nice to meet everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce and demonstrate how Sobo empower enterprises with intelligent automations capability that drive sales growth and deliver exceptional long-term customer retention through our unified Omni-Channel strategy and also AI agent. As you can see here, our state-of-the-art technology has been heavily used by more than 550K users worldwide in any time. This has been created an incredible result as shown in this slide. With significant resources and investment, Sobo ensures seamless customer connectivity across all the touch points, anytime, anyway. Sobo offers a comprehensive suite of advanced functionality, including intelligent live chat, AI chatbot equipped with ChatGPT and self-developed NLP, intelligent ticketing, CRM, call center with telco phone line integration. This capability caters to diverse use cases from small and medium-sized businesses to complex enterprise-level scenario. For example, our call center solutions, it automates outbound call for sales and customer experience team, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency when outreach to prospect and also the customer. In addition, calls are intelligently routed between AI and human agents based on query complexity or customer preferences. With built-in all the analytics, it tracks call outcomes, agent performance, and customer satisfaction to optimize strategy. Let's start by highlighting some of Sobo's standout features that align with today's key topics. We will be diving into how Sobo intelligent chatbot, live chat, ticketing, CRM, equipped with customer deduplications and one ID capabilities, empower enterprises to create personalized data monetization strategy, transforming how businesses engage with their customer. Well, now you might be wondering, just how intelligent is this solution? Can it truly meet your business needs? I hear you. Our solutions is powered by self-developed AI and a suite of versatile APIs, enabling seamless integrations across systems and multiple communication channels, whether it's your company's official website, WhatsApp Business Suite, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Line, and more. We provide unmatched flexibility, offering tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of your business and addressing a wide range of use cases. For instance, one of the standout features of Sobot is the customer language switch. These powerful functions allow the chatbot to automatically or manually switch to the customer preferred language. This ensures a personalized and seamless interaction, enhancing the entire user experience journey. With this, the AI chatbot can then guide customers to discover new products and also services automatically, or while managing multiple chat workflows. Subsequently, the support platforms helps create a centralized hub for customer interactions automatically, providing a single source of truth and complete visibility into customer behavior, including valuable insights such as how often customers visit your channel to search for information before making a purchase, how many appointments been scheduled or replied in WhatsApp, how many cases are raised via ticketing for repeat purchase after upselling or cross-selling by your sales team, and also identifying patterns that enhance customer retention through support interactions. This level of integrations and automations empower you to leverage a data monetization strategy that drives long-term revenue opportunity. This is because the data collected from multiple touchpoints will give enterprises to gain a deeper understanding of their customer, who they are, their behaviors, preferences, purchase pattern across channels to improve targeting and personalization. Here are the tangible proven results, as we have more than 10,000 plus customers worldwide and are trusted by them to leverage support omni-channel services and WhatsApp integrations capability to boost their business growth and market penetration. For example, Sobot already enables some of the significant logo in the market: Philips, HP, PopMart, GLDB from Singapore, Xiaomi, and many more. Here's one of the summary of our FSI and FinTech key customer logo, showcasing a complex use cases scenario that adhere to strict compliance standard. This customer have leveraged support and WhatsApp integrations to stand out from their competitors. Drawing from successful deal closure, here are the top compelling reasons and use cases shaped by the customer demand across various industry and market. These cases have established best practices for selecting the right message template to engage their customer, ensuring cost efficiency. However, relying solely on common sales strategy may hinder long-term growth, as competitors often adopt similar approaches. To stand out, Sobot offers two game-changing features: customer deduplications and customer one ID. These aren't just nice to have too. In fact, it is critical for optimizing customer engagement by preventing businesses from engaging the same customer multiple times with redundant offer or messages that miss the valuable upselling and cross-selling opportunity. This ensures a more streamlined and personalized customer experience, ultimately boosting the sales performance and driving sustained business growth. Sobot customer deduplication resolves this by removing redundant customer profiles, giving you a clean, accurate view of each customer interaction. This allows you to create targeted, personalized sales strategy that maximize customer lifetime value, especially for your VIP segment. But we don't stop there. To ensure your sales team has a single unified view of your customer across all touchpoints, we introduce Customer One ID. This feature automatically alerts you if a similar customer profile is detected in the CRM, allowing you to decide whether to maintain two separate profiles or merge them into one. Customer One ID links customer interactions across multiple channels, whether it's WhatsApp, your company website, social media, or your call center, under a unique identifier. This means that whether a customer reaches out via WhatsApp today or visit your website tomorrow, your sales team has a complete picture of their behavior, preferences, past interactions, and all the activity. To help you fully understand, let's move on to the demo session now. Sobot provide enterprises with the flexibility to deploy the platform either on-prem or as a SaaS solution. For today's sessions, I will be demonstrating using the Sobot SaaS environment. Users can access the Sobot platform using their registered email account or their Microsoft email for streamlined identity management. This is how the interface looks like after the user log into the Sobot platform. The agent actually have the ability to use all the functions that are available in the services module, marketing module, general module after deployed in their environment. Sobot cares a lot about their existing customer. Therefore, the R&D team have developed a personalized agent workbench page in order to help the agent to meet their daily KPI and also handling all various customer interactions or incoming messages in a single place. So now, let me demonstrate Sobot Omni-Channel capability with useful WhatsApp integrations use cases. Today, I have prepared two WhatsApp business account management. The first one is the WhatsApp business account management using by the sales team for new customer acquisition. The second one is basically the WhatsApp business account management that used by the customer experience team to deliver exceptional world-class customer services support, including upselling or cross-selling the company product or services to their existing customer. So let's start with the first use case. Assuming today I am a brand new customer, all right? I'm actually looking for a bank loan product or a services, okay? That's why I reached up to the bank's WhatsApp channel. So let's see what's going to be happen after I send a message to this WhatsApp channel. Wow, that's so cool. That is a message that replied by a chatbot immediately and quickly, right? And not only about that, I also have options to reply a keyword called agent if I would like to have a live chat with the bank enterprise sales director or the customer experience director to address my problem. So why don't we continue to test it out? How intelligent about this AI chatbot? I'm looking for a loan. Let's see. Wow, that's so cool. Now, the chatbot basically is provide me a product menu with a list of options. As a new customer, I do not know what I need, what I want. I don't even understand what is the loan product that actually offering by a bank right now. And because of this intelligent chatbot multi-chat workflow management, now I know that this bank basically offering 5 loan products. So maybe I will choose this one because it seems like relevant with my current business use cases, right? Wow, that's so cool. Another discovery question released by the chatbot. Let me choose the business play later. What's going to be replied by this chatbot? All right, so basically the AI chatbot is intelligent enough to quickly provide me the accurate information that I needed. So from the initial touch point to the conclusion of a chat, Sobot multi-chat workflow management enable the AI chatbot to guide the customer through discovery questions, gathering valuable insights into their behavior and preferences. The chatbot continuously learns from the customer interactions, consolidating the data that can be seamlessly shared with live chat agent when needed. The Sobot platform supports your organizations in building data monetization strategy by automatically save the customer nicknames and phone number in Sobot CRM tools, ensuring that no customer is lost in your environment. This functionality empowers your business to drive long-term customer retention and engagement. By leveraging this kind of discovery questions, the AI chatbot not only enhances customer understanding, but also equip the agent, the live chat agent, with consolidated insight for personalized interaction, ensuring a seamless and efficient customer experience. Let me show a little bit what is going to be happen in the Sobot CRM tool. As I mentioned just now, when it is basically a brand new customer to a bank, Of course, if today this is a brand new customer, never have the customer profile been installed in the install base, right? Venice profile basically will be stored under the new customer category, right? So let's have a look about the Venice information. Venice nickname has been well captured, and the source is from the WhatsApp, and we have well captured about Venice mobile phone number as well. All right. So as a sales agent, right, I am actually can put some business labeling about Venice, because you know why? It will be helpful the next agent to better understand about the status, the level of Venice, right? And not only about that, the customer experience or the customer services team can continuously to do the interaction, engagement, and continuously to promote your company product and the services, right? So maybe I can labeling Venice as a VIP customer, and after post-sales, right, the team are actually required to put more high intentions on Venice. And I know that Venice actually heavily in use WhatsApp for business communication. And not only about that, Venice also using Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and Line as well. All right. Venice is basically from a business services industry. So not only about that, as a sales agent, right, basically I can keep on update the sales stages processes. Once I complete all the sales stages, especially I already won the project from Venice, then this Venice profile will subsequently assign and pass under follow-up customer category. Why? Because we will allow your post-sales team or your customer service team continuously to do the brand awareness, keep on promoting the new launch product to Venice. And also, we actually allow the customer experience team to do the update for the next stages for Venice to make sure that we are continuously to build the data monetization strategy in the environment. Okay, so assuming that I'm actually understand from Venice that she actually prefer to not use English for communication. Venice maybe prefer to use maybe like Arabic, right? Because Venice actually have all this kind of Arabic knowledge in behind. So as you see, all this column is configurable, right? If it depends on what kind of data you would like to collect from your customer to build up the foundation of your big data layer. So let me save about this Venice customer profile. Next, move on to the next use cases. Remember, at first, right, Venice actually have the option to talk to the live chat agent. Next, we try about the live chat agent use cases. What is going to be happen? So once this agent keyword has been typed into the WhatsApp channel, basically the message will be routed to the agent that available immediately. As an agent, I actually have the ability to view all the previous past history record that has been conducted and created by the chatbot and also Venice. Not only about that, as an agent, I actually have the ability to check, right, what will be the call that has been conducted in the past. And I also can play back all the voice recording record. And if needed, I also can download it and then for compliance audit purposes. All right. And again, I also can view, is it Venice have raised any ticketing before reach up to me? If yes, I should think about what will be the next action item for me to better assist Venice to address the problem or the challenges. So, and also as an agent, right, I actually can understand that Venice reached up to me via the WhatsApp channel. And basically Venice is reached up to the WhatsApp sales team business account management. All right. And Venice has been visit to our channel for 23 times. It means that Venice is really serious looking into the purchase of the loan packages from us. And again, Sobot is actually supporting 75 international language to enable to make sure that each agent can well understanding from their customer, regardless is what kind of languages. And not only about that, let's say I am a customer. I am lazy to type the messages. I want to have some voice talking with this agent. This also can be done. And when it actually will receive the voice recording from their customer, and when it basically can play the voice recording and then try to understand well about what is the question from Venice. And with then, basically the agent can use the keyword to looking into the relevant information and then send over to the Venice. So this is a very popular tool and favorable by our existing customer. You know why? Because not all agents will memorize your company product in 1 hour or in 1 day. So this will be helping the agent efficiently to answering the questions more accurately. Not only about that, if let's say today I am an agent, I'm not able to solve Venice problem. I have the ability to transfer the chat to other agent or other department. But before I do a transformations to any other cross-department colleague, I actually can do some sync up first to tell my colleague that what is actually the challenges, the problem that facing by Venice, how we actually going to help her, right? So after all the communication and the sync up, right, then only we can transfer this chat to the other department. And maybe I can also do another use cases. Let's say I want to tell the agents that I would like to know more regarding the interest rate. I am Malaysian. I love to use mixed language. I don't like to use purely English, right? So basically with this intelligent language translations, right, basically as an agent, I can understand well about what Venice is trying to tell me. And again, as an agent, right, I can always upload some PDF file, Word document, or some images, including the video, and return back to Venice with the same languages. So I can say that currently the best rate that we can offer to you, as VIP customer is 3.00%. Before I send my message reply to the customer, right? Remember, because this customer is preferable to use Arabic language. Basically, what I can do is that I can quickly translate it into Arabic and then replace it, and then I send over to. So of course, Venice is actually experience exceptional experience, a customer journey differently, right? Because this agent understand me well and actually can respond me in Arabic language. Okay, so now let me move on to the next use cases. Assuming that I have already complete the conversation with Venice, I can always send the customer satisfaction evaluation to Venice to actually measure about how good services that I'm offering to Venice, right? And then not only about that, I can always leverage the AI help me to generate a summary record based on the discussions that has been discussed in this live chat. So yeah, so this is the summary, right? We can leverage our AI engine to do this, to save the time of the agent, to help you to save the resources as well. So we can do some update, load product requests, right? So after we done all the service summary, when it's come back again, the next agent basically can wheel back all the summary note, and also again can leverage the business tech to better understand about Venice, right? So let's move on to the next use case, and let me end of this submission. So the next use case, what I want to say is that imagine today your customer visit your WhatsApp channel. Basically, that is no agent online, right? So what it can be do is to capture all the customer questions, and the request is that the customer can continuously to submit their questions, the messages to the WhatsApp channel Remember, I mentioned that Sobots care a lot about our customer. We actually don't want your company lost any customer that reaching out to your channel or reaching out to your company website. So if today, right, the message that has been left over by Venice, right, during the night time. So as agent, I can quickly respond to Venice the next day when I back to the work. And Venice basically will receive my message immediately. From then, this is how the customer engagement interaction continuously will be happen here. Then next, I will be showing the use case about ticketing. So go back to the just now the use cases, right? Remember, that is a list of the loan product that actually I can choose, right? Let me go for a click on other product that going to be, let me choose another for you to show you so that you can better understand it. So just now remember, I have changed the customer preferred languages is Arabic. So when it's reached up to the WhatsApp channel again, the chatbot is intelligent enough and then will show the product menu in Arabic language. All right. So let's go back to the same use case with the same product option, pay later. Maybe in this route, I choose the personal pay later. Right. So because during the nighttime, right, there is no agent is available. Okay. So what it can be done is that the customer always can raise the ticket submission or continuously to send a message and then leverage our submission record and then let the agent to respond. So imagine if today, right, I would like to raise a ticketing, okay? It will direct the customer into this page, okay? That customer actually have the ability to configure the template that actually they would like their customer to fill it out. And we actually have a couple of ticketing template for you to see, to view, right? So imagine today I would like to get someone to do the presentation about your company product, okay? Basically, I would like to collect and understand the customer, some of the profile information, for instance. And not only about that, we also can allow you to configure the message template that whether how quickly you want the agent to respond to your customer. So imagine now I want the agent to respond my question within an hour. And I type it out, my request, my problem, what's actually I needed. Then I also put it in my email address and my contact details, and then I will submit. So as a customer role here, once I submit, right, basically I can track the progressions based on the ticketing that I has been raised. So once this has been submitted, right, what is going to be happen? Our AI chatbot will quickly send a ticketing notification to the customer to inform the customers that you are not alone. We are well receiving your concerns, the ticketing that you has been raised. We will get back to you as soon as possible, right? So next will be, once this ticketing is raised by the customer, you will immediately route to the agent dashboard. So this is actually the ticketing that just submitted by Venice. Sorry, hold on. Let me refresh again. Yeah, so basically this is the submission by Venice. So Venice basically actually have a couple of ways to respond to the customer questions. Number one, either can reply the ticket directly so that customer will get the update immediately in this submission ticketing progression list. And or if let's say needed, Venice also can reply via the email because we already collected the customer email address. Or if needed, I can quickly give a call to Venice to make sure that Venice to make the purchase decision faster and lock down this loan packaging selling. And if needed, I also can send Venice request to our cross-internal department. Either is via internal note or I also can send the email to our internal department. So let's see. Let's say I want to transfer this to other department. Yes, I have the ability to transfer to other skill group that available. And also I can assign this ticketing to other agent as well. And actually I can update the progressions to tell the customer I am actually processing this ticketing for Venice. So maybe I can reply to Venice to say that let's schedule a meeting maybe like a Zoom meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. And again, every single ticketing that has been created by the customer, Swapbot platform is intelligent enough, will immediately to create a unique ticketing number ID. So this is easily for all the agents to track back the previously entire history record. So let's say I submit, right? So what is going to be happen is that Venice will receive the notifications about my message saying that to schedule a Zoom meeting tomorrow, 10 a.m. Again, if customer needed, can always reply on top of this message chat box. Doesn't matter is via the laptop or also can raise the continuously ticketing via the mobile devices. So maybe let me move on to the next use cases. So all the services module that what we are offering to our customer, we actually provide a very comprehensive statistic report. For instance, you actually can check how many conversations has been transferred from the chatbot to the agent. And we do provide you a very dynamic report with the graph. And also you can track that what is the total chat being created for today between the chatbot and your customer. And how many of them has been transferred? Is it a valid conversations? And how was the Q&A quality? Is it our intelligence chatbot have answered all the customer question perfectly, right? And not only about that, we also can always see the customer evaluations toward our chatbot. So let me move on to another dashboard about the live chat agent. So again, we do provide you a very comprehensive statistic report about each chat conversations that has been conducted by each skill group or each agent as well. And you basically can export up all this report into a CSV or the Excel file as well. And again, we allow you to configure whatever indicator you would like to display and use by your agent. So how about the ticketing? Right? So basically ticketing, we also have a very comprehensive dashboard for the agent to understand how many ticketing has been created either by the customer or by the agent on behalf of the customer as well. And Swapbot ticketing basically have a very intelligent tool that allow us to create a various SLA. For instance, if today you would like to create, sorry about that. If today, right, you would like to create the SLA is considered emergency, basically you can set the definitions about emergency. Let's say the emergency is like within 30 minutes that the agent have to respond back to the customer questions. And let me show you one more capability that what we can offering to enable our customer. So today, right, if today your WhatsApp number has been hacked along or tied with our Swapbot platform, basically, our platform is intelligent enough, will automatic to generate a QR code for you and also a WhatsApp link so that basically you can use this QR code or the WhatsApp link to do a mass broadcasting and direct your customer into your WhatsApp channel. And again, because Swapbot is actually an official Meta business solutions provider, we actually are professional enough that we can advise use a various message template. The reason is because we would like to help you to achieve cost efficiency. And also, the message template is not limiting for just sending for marketing promotions or the campaign. But in fact, you can actually configure a various message template based on the content to notify your customer. For instance, hello, John, we detect that there is a suspicious transaction on your current debit account. Not only about that, if let's say you would like to send some of the payment or the order information, basically you can leverage our ready message template and then you can use it. And again, you can manage all of your product services order efficiently. So this is the message template that currently offered by Meta to all of the user. It can be a marketing category. utility category, authentications category. So marketing basically come with three different important template component. Number one will be you want to promote your current product. Number two is that you are inviting your customer to view the latest product catalog. Number three is basically the template that you want to invite your new prospect to sign up as a member or to sign up all the marketing events that you're going to organize in a hotel. So let me give another example that why choose the right message template is very important for an organization. Because you involve a single sense count. If today you would like to send an OTP message to your customer, normally we will recommend our customer to use the authentication template instead of using the utility template to send the OTP notification. The reason is because we are helping our enterprises and we care about our enterprises to achieve the cost efficiency. Every single template that you created basically is supporting 75 international languages, and it does allow you to input some text, image, video, or document, share the locations with your customer, and then you can create a personalized message template before you send over to your customer. Not only about that, that is some button basically you can add into your message template to call action from your customer, and then after that you can submit to Meta for review and approval purposes. So all those message template, once it's approved instantly, it will automatically appear into our WhatsApp template management dashboard. And again, as an agent, I can actually preview the message template that I would like to do a mass outreach blast out. Okay, so all those records that has been sent up, right? Basically, we will let you have a visibility how many of them has been delivered or how many of the message that you send to your customer via WhatsApp has been read. Or if let's say the message template has been sending failed, then we actually will provide you the reason why. And our platform will automate all this kind of workflow and activity for you. Not only about that, you also can create the targeted campaign you are needed. It's either you want to import your own customer database or you can leverage our CRM tool by uploading the customer information as Bob. And then you can actually turn on the customer deduplication function to make sure that you will send a duplicate message template to the similar customer. Either the agent can send now or can schedule a future time to eliminate all the manual processes. So then whatever message that has been sent, it will be captured under the sending record function. And again, you can do a lot of filter about the date and also the message status. Everything that I am presenting here is all automation. There is no manual work. And again, if needed, you can always export out this report in the CSV file or in an Excel file. So today I would like to end my demonstration and presentation. I will hand over to Andy, and also if today you have interest to explore more, right? Basically, you can left over your contact details and our team will get back to you and reach out to you about your question. Andy, I hand over to you right now.
Great. Thank you, Venice. Thank you for your insightful sharing. Now let's move on to Q&A session. Let's see what questions the audiences have in the chat. Okay. Wow, there are more than 10 questions. So I don't have a lot of time to address all these questions. So maybe I can just pick up a few and let Venice and also myself to answer this. So let me go to the questions. Okay, so number one, how old is your company? Okay, is the data monetization? Yeah, this is the, okay. So is data monetization considered one of the strategies in an omni-channel service approach? Okay, so Venice, can you handle this question?
Certainly, Andy. Yes, Data monetizations can be a component of a omni-channel services strategy because in omni-channel approach, businesses aim to create a seamless and personalized customer experience across all the channels. By leveraging the data collected from multiple touchpoints, basically the organization can enhance the customer insight. For instance, like monetize the data by analyzing the customer behavior, preferences, and etc. Not only about that, basically the organizations also have the capability to drive the revenue opportunity by using the predictive analytics to identify the cross-selling and also the upselling opportunity, which can increase the sales through the tailored offer on preferred channel. Yeah. So this is my answer, Andy.
Great. Let's see. Okay, how is your company? Yeah, just now I did see this question. So we are based in Singapore. Our headquarters is in Singapore, but we do cover the global business, including Southeast Asia and also the Middle East. So we are in the market for about 10 years already. And all these pillars or modules just now, Venice show you, it was all in-house built by our company. So including chatbot, live chat, and also call center together with ticketing. Yeah, so we are in the line in this vertical for about 10 years already. And we are backed by a few investment companies, for example, SoftBank, IDG Capital, 拥有云起 etc. Yeah, so we are a well-established company in global market. Do you provide training or any configuration of the system? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, thank you so much for the question. I think you are quite interested in our product. After you purchase our product, if it's a SaaS model, definitely we will provide full training to your supervisor or management, and another group of users, we also can provide a separate training. And we can do some basic configuration for your system. But if you need us to analyze your business and configure, fully according to your business, we do have an operation team to help you to do that. But there will be additional charge for that. Okay, so hi Venice, this is the question to you. Thank you for your wonderful sharing. It really helps. And I have a question. What is the charging model of your solution? So how do you charge for the product? So Venice, maybe you can answer this question.
Yeah, definitely, Andy. Basically, our charging is based on the number of users that going to leverage our Sobot platform to help you handling all the different business use cases. And again, right, we can actually have a separate discussion. So then I can actually show you about our pricing and how does it work for you.
Yes, and we do provide SaaS model and also private cloud model. Even you want to deploy our solution in your premise, in your office or data center, we also can do that. So we are very, very flexible. But if you are talking about SaaS model, it is purely user-based, just monthly subscription or yearly subscription. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Do you have office in Hong Kong? Currently, we don't have an office in Hong Kong. Our presence globally, including Singapore, Malaysia, China mainland, and also USA. But we do have a Shenzhen team in China cover the deployment of Hong Kong projects. We also deploy the projects in Macau as well. So, and they do speak Cantonese. And we do have sales in Malaysia, can live with Hong Kong customers in Cantonese. And the project managers, they are all in Shenzhen. Okay. Can Sobo integrate with Salesforce CRM? Yes, currently we are integrating with Salesforce. We already done the integration with some of the CRM vendor, for example, Share CRM. Okay, it's already done. But for Salesforce CRM, it takes maybe another 1 or 2 months time for us to be fully integrated with Salesforce. Okay, so hi Andy, glad to meet you again. Can we call your solution as UCaaS? Yes, you can say it's UCaaS, but we are more for we call it how to say SaaS solution or user experience solution, because we do provide a SaaS together with all the different features, including chatbot, live chat, call center, and ticketing. So you can call it, yeah, UCaaS, no problem. But we are more for user experience or user engagement. Let me see whether we have more questions. Yeah, okay. Can we do on-premise due to government policy? Yes, definitely. So for some banking industry customers or government industry customers, they prefer on-premise. So we can deploy our solution, license or software into their environment using on-premise model. But there will be a restriction on the user quantity. So if let's talk about maybe 5 or 10 users, then on-premise model may not be that preferable because the cost is very high. Yeah, you don't want to deploy only for 5 users by using on-premise model. Yeah, so I think to make it more economic sense, normally you need to be above 30 users in order to do on-premise model. Do we have any agency or partner cooperation opportunities? Yes, we do welcome different kind of partnership, no matter whether you are a SI company or you are only reseller, you just resell our solution, or you want to manage our customer by providing after sales support, we do welcome them. Yeah, so we can work together with you as an agent. We have partnership agreement, so you can help us to reach out to the local customers in different countries. We do provide two kinds of partnership. Number one, we can provide referral fee to you, and referral fee is quite attractive. It's about double digit of the revenue sharing. Another kind of partnership is we give you the cost price, so you can mark up on the cost price. So the margin really depends on you and the relationship between you and your customers. Okay, so can Sobo implement projects that receive government grants in Singapore? The answer is yes or no, because that really depends on your organization, whether you can get the grants. But we do work together with some third-party consultant company who can really, get the grants for the project. So we are working together with them. If you have an opportunity, we can talk and we can get the grants. I think we are able to get it, yeah, from Singapore government. It's like a PIC grant or, those innovation grant. How about the integration of WordPress, WooCommerce, VIX, or Shopify? Okay, very good question. So we have already been integrated with Shopify. It's a ready channel. Maybe Venice, you can show it. Yeah, show the demo. Show the channel already done in Shopify.
Certainly.
However, for WordPress and WooCommerce and VIX, it's integratable. Although we are not integrated yet, but it's integratable. Yeah, meaning to say, you can just paste our code in their coding, in their backend code. Then you can see the chatbot floating bubble there. And if you want to do more deeper integration, we can use API to integrate all the different features. Yeah, and we can show you we do open a lot of API in our documentation. So maybe Venice, you also can show the documentation center later, but you can show the Shopify, the docking channel first. Yeah.
Certainly. Basically, I also have a successful customer use case that I just helped one of my customer to complete the Shopify integration. So again, to answer your questions, we have the real use case to integrate the Shopify into our customer website.
Are you projecting your screen?
Yeah, I projecting
Okay,
my screen.
great.
Is it can see my screen?
No, we didn't see your screen.
All right, let me show one more time.
Yep, can see.
So here you go. We basically allow our customer to add the Shopify as one of the channel. And once the Shopify channel has been added into the platform, basically the Shopify icon will be indicated here. And again, when you turn on your Shopify website, basically there will be a floating icon show in the Shopify store.
Great. Yeah, thank you, Venice. And also you can show our documentation center. So we do have a lot of API. Yeah, the third one. So in terms of integration, right? So we do open a lot of APIs for you to integrate with our system. Yeah, so we do support WordPress or WooCommerce, this third-party solution. Okay, so thank you, Venice. Let's see other questions. Yeah, we do have 7 minutes to go through all the questions. So what cybersecurity protection you have in Malaysia? Brunei, okay. Cybersecurity protection. So number one, we are leveraging AWS cloud infrastructure. So we do have a lot of security layer on this infrastructure. For example, data encryption. So we will encrypt the data while transmission. Okay, while transmit the data to AWS cloud in Singapore. So number two, when we store your data, right, we will make it very secure. We do have data backup mechanism behind, and we do have DR plan within AWS cloud infrastructure. So this is how we protect your data. Your data is very, very critical to you and also to us. And for Brunei and Malaysia, we don't have a local data center, but you can use the AWS cloud infrastructure in Singapore. So our SaaS is in Singapore. And if you want to deploy it locally in Malaysia or Brunei, we can deploy on-premise or on private cloud deployment model. Okay, so your data will be fully secured in the local environment. Provide API integration, who will do the actual work and charging. So API integration, there are two parts. The first part, part one, it is about whether we want to integrate with third-party API, meaning to say they open the API and we pull the data from their system. So this work will be done by our support team, and we charge based on how many mandate we need to be involved. So per mandate is about 600 USD. Okay, so this is the charge. So part two, we open a lot of API. Just now we did show you. So the third party vendor, they need to integrate with our system. Then for that part, the charge is not on us. It will be rely on the third party. So they will charge you accordingly based on their rate. So their rate may be different. Yeah, I don't know which vendor you are using. Yeah, hope I have answered your question. Okay, let's see whether I got more questions. Okay. Yeah, let me pick up one more question to answer. Okay, I do see. What is the minimum purchase quantity? Okay, so since we are a SaaS provider, we do limit to quantity of three. So minimum purchase is 3 users. But let's say if you do want to try out for only 1 user or 2 users, we are very, very flexible. So we give you the grace period to try out for a period of time, for example, 3 months or 6 months. And later you can decide to add more users. But normally it is 3 users. Yeah. Okay. So who will do the actual work? So I think I have answered most of the questions. Okay, let me see where I get further questions. Yeah, I think this is all. Yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, it's all the questions are very well asked. So without further ado, maybe I just stop here for maybe half a minute, see whether more questions coming. If no, then we can end today's session. Okay. So thank you everyone again for attending our webinar today. If you have more questions, feel free to contact us and we will arrange another separate meeting with you soon. So we can even create a trial account for you to test out and you can see how it can boost up your business and also your revenue. So let's talk further and thank you, Venice and everyone again. Really thank you for your time. Appreciate. Have a great Friday again. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.